if I playing this video?
In your future. You have to trust in something, your gut, destiny, life, karma, whatever. Because believing
This is a really wild video, and it's uploaded 10 years ago and got 49 millions of views. And this one,
you to accept the challenge. Today I need you to fall in love with them.
this is uploaded on YouTube 3 years ago and got 10 millions of views. And this video,
with the lion and gazelle, you still stuck. You're a gazelle. You are a gazelle. You need some.
and it's uploaded 11 years ago and gets 13 millions of views. You can see here are 3 videos. They are got millions views by uploading motivational videos. Exactly, I'm going to show you how you can create this type of viral motivational video using AI in less than 5 minutes, and you can create or upload on YouTube unlimited video because this AI tool instantly create video for you. So without any time wastage, let's jump to video. First, I'm going on InVideo AI. So this link I will attach in my video description for easy access. When you click, you are redirected to this website. You know to first log in here. Here are 4 type of video. You are also create a short video for YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels, and TikTok, and any other social media platform as well. And so number 2 option are makes explainer with this like an 16:9 ratio. Number 3, create animated film. And number 4, use my script. You can create a video using your script. You can create script using ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and any other AI tool as well. So exactly I'm going to show this number 2 option, make explainer video. So first I put my video title from 0 to hero, how to change your life in 30 days. So my video need my 5 minutes. If you need 10 minutes plus, you can select as well. So platform YouTube good. Then if you want a relevant video like which type of video you dislike and which type of video you like, and you can add everything here are a description. So I don't need this one. I select this option only stock media because this is a free account. When you have a paid account, you can select only generated clip as well, because when you select these only generated clips, this AI tool create image, video, elements, etc. instantly using their AI power. It's exclusive for me, so no copyright issue. So my video are free method, so I select stock media. Then I need to add a background music because this is very important for motivational videos. So I write here motivation. Okay, that's good. Motivation, background music, I need it. So language are English. So if you want to create a German, French, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, France, Hindi, and lots of language available, you can create a video. You can see, you can choose anyone, male or female. Okay, this is good. I want to charge American young kids boys, young British boys. Okay, this is good. Now here are 4 options. Stock preference, you can add stock media. I don't use iStock, use pure iStock. Okay, this is default good, and watermark. So I want to write my name here, kalam. This is good. This is a branding for me. This is subtitle option. So if I adding any subtitle, this is a paid option, but I don't need this one. Just I close it, then click on continue, then again click on generate a video. Once you have done this process, you need to select these 2 options. You can choose one. If you have a free account, you can select stock media, but if you have a paid account, select generative media. Then I select stock media, the 5 minutes, self-improvement, motivational seekers, general audience. Okay, I choose number 2 option, then YouTube platform. Again click on continue. Okay, this is a final step. Once you have done it, my video are ready, will be ready for download from this platform. Once you have done this process, you need to select and watch full video, and if you have found any mistake here, you can click on edit button, then you can edit everything and anything, and you are able to replace this image, and any image or video, music, script, character, and everything you are able to customize and editing. So after everything are done, if you have found this video are ready for downloaded, just click on this download video and select stock watermark, then normal and 180. This is a free method only. Just click on continue. Otherwise, if you have a paid account, just select no watermark and subtitle and 180. So this is a two-way. So I select stock watermarks, normal and 180, then click on continue. Okay, download or start right now.
Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an incredible journey from zero to hero, how to change your life in just 30 days. Are you ready to unleash the power within and create the life you've always dreamed of? Hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing content. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. It's a simple yet profound truth that applies to every aspect of life. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the mountain ahead, but you don't have to climb it all today. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Just take that first step. It might be a small action, but it sets the momentum for your journey. Maybe it's deciding you're worth it, acknowledging your dreams and aspirations, or finally setting that goal you've been putting off. Writing it down, making a plan, and visualizing your success. The moment you commit, the universe conspires to support you. You'll find resources, people, and opportunities aligning in your favor. So what's your first step? What small action can you take today to start your journey? What will you do today to move towards the extraordinary life waiting for you? Remember, every great journey begins with that first step. Let's talk about goals. Not just any goals, but those that truly resonate with your innermost desires and aspirations. These are crystal clear, soul-stirring goals that ignite a fire within you, pushing you to strive for greatness every single day. Without a clear target, you're like a ship lost at sea, drifting aimlessly without direction or purpose. Set goals that are aligned with your core values and passions, the things that make you feel alive and fulfilled. Write them down, make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This clarity transforms dreams into actionable plans. Visualize yourself living that dream life, feeling the emotions and experiencing the joy of achieving your goals. When you can see it in your mind's eye, you make it real. This vision becomes your guiding star, leading you to success.
So this is a method how you can create viral motivational video using AI tools in less than 5 minutes. This is a fantastic way. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel